what's up guys again? We've got Lego Drain Fafnir. It actually drains some energy, so let's test it out. 3, 2, 1, go! It's moving. Second attempt. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, maybe third attempt. Doesn't count when I add the video. This is the strongest Beyblades. Since it's still new, it needs more practice. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Move! Yes! I don't know why does it keep on flipping. 3, 2, 1, go! There we go! Finally, it drains the stamina. Go get him! Yes! Finally.